Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Here's a 3-minute video explaining trace cell relationships. You're just introduced to trace precedents and dependents. What is a cell precedent? Applicable only to cells that contain a formula. A formula cell's precedents are all of the cells that contribute to the formula's results. A direct precedent is a cell that you use directly in the formula. An indirect precedent is a cell that isn't used directly in the formula, but is used by a cell that you refer to in the formula. Cell dependent, these formula cells depend upon a particular cell. A cell's dependent consists of all formula cells that use the cell. Again, the formula can be direct independent or indirect dependent. Go up here, hit formulas, trace dependence, and we're seeing there's no dependence with this particular cell. Count if, are there any dependents here? Go to formulas, trace dependents, and you could see there's a dependent here. Well, there is a dependent because in order for formula text to compute, it has to have information in G1 in order to produce this formula. Hit remove arrows, go to trace precedents. There you can see in order for this count to be number one, it has to track down this information, and these are the precedents in order to determine this particular outcome. Remove arrows, hit trace precedents, and you could see what's going on here. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, thank you.